Hello there, my name's Kelsey and I'll be your teacher while we do the Robot Petting Zoo project. But before we get into coding and building and all of that, I think it might be useful to start with a little bit of imagining. I want you to imagine a zoo. And imagine the animals that you might encounter in a zoo. Which of these animals would you like to pet? Which of these animals would you perhaps not like to pet? How would these animals react when you pet them? I wonder, are there any animals that you might like to feed? Once you've imagined some different animals, now we can talk about what the Robot Petting Zoo project actually involves. Let's take a look. All right, for the Robot Petting Zoo, I like to talk about projects in terms of criteria and constraints. Criteria are things your project must do, or suggestions of what your project must do. You should include at least one motor or LED, but you can include more. You should include at least one sensor or more, and your project must react when someone interacts with it. Constraints are limits on your project. So you're limited by the supplies that you have around. You can look around and find anything made of cardboard or recycled materials, find some scissors, maybe a hot glue gun. And you're also limited by a suggested size of a shoebox. You don't want to make your project too big, it'll be a little bit too heavy. So, now that we've taken a look at what the Robot Petting Zoo project involves, let me give you a quick preview of what you'll see in the next videos. In video 2, we'll talk about some basic building techniques about including Hummingbird Robotics kit components with craft supplies. In video 3, we'll go over a few different mechanisms that you might find useful when you're building your animal. In video 4, we'll talk about how to include sensors in your project. And in video 5, we'll talk about how to code sensors altogether. The final video, video 6, is about what to do after you've made your Robot Petting Zoo animal. All right, I can't wait to see you in the next video.